everyone, let's create some bath soaks that's great for relaxing and rejuvenating the skin. The star of this soak is our Epsom Salt that helps with reducing pain and swelling, followed by some Lavender Infused salts that helps with reducing stress. We also will be adding some Dead Sea salt, which helps to purify pores, and also some lavender buds. To start, we are going to add all our salts together in a bowl and make sure to grind those properly. We're going to incorporate all of them and then mix until everything is one color. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to add the last ingredient, which is our lavender buds, and we're going to work that in. You could use, of course, your hands. For packaging, we use these old school milk bottles and a funnel that was made just by using regular paper, and we're going to go ahead and fill in our soak into our jars. And there you have it, our lavender bath soaks. These will be available back on our site this Saturday, April 10th. Thanks for watching.